Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy
Happy
Friday,
Friday.
Audra.
Happy Friday, Molly.
How
How
are
is
you?
everybody doing? We're excited to be here. We're April already. Is this the second Friday in April already? Oh my gosh.
Q2.
I can't
We're
believe it.
well into Q2.
I cannot believe that we're already here.
I know. And I'm excited because today we have a long list of amazing things that women are doing in financial services, a lot to celebrate.
So much going on. I mean, there's some amazing things. There are women out there that are getting amazing roles, getting amazing promotions, and out there doing incredible things. We can't wait to share them with all of you. Well, good morning, Jill Johnson.
So glad to see you.
Thank you for coming and celebrating with us today. We're so happy to see you. So, if there's anybody else out there, please join us in the chat because we're always happy to engage with you and welcome everyone. And remember, this is a celebration for everybody women that are in banking, financial services, fintech, whether we know you or not. As a matter of fact, we prefer it if we don't because it expands our circle. So if you know anyone, let us know so we can celebrate you too.
Yep. And the big networking hack that this offers to anybody watching is go connect with these women and congratulate them on what they have accomplished. Easy icebreaker, friends.
Yeah. Yeah. Who's going to say no to a stranger that says, good job on your promotion? I'd like to introduce myself to you. And can we be friends? And you mentor me and let me know how you did it so I can emulate you too. Who's going
Yep.
to say no to that and say, oh, no, I don't want to be your friend?
Yep.
I have yet to have anybody tell me no.
Flattery can take you far.
Sure can. So, are we ready to get started with new roles and promotions?
Yes, ma'am. Let's rock and roll.
All right. I'm starting with your friend and mine, Jen Linus. And congratulations to MQMR. You snagged an amazing woman. Like I said, she is our dear friend. She is their new director of marketing. So, congratulations to MQMR and to Jen. We are so proud of you. Do you have the noise? Do you have the sound effects? I know we have
No, but how about
flowers. We'll give you flowers, Jen.
I left all my noisemakers downstairs this morning.
Oh,
Totally irresponsible.
but we'll give you flowers. We will have flowers for you. Next up, Truist. Truist is a very large bank, financial institution, definitely making some noise. So, congratulations to you, Truist. You have definitely snagged a good one. And oh my gosh, does she have a big job? Whitney Hughes, she is the SVP, head of delivery execution. Oh my goodness. That is a big role. So congratulations to Truist and to Whitney Hughes. Once again, we are so proud of you, and that's a big job. We are very, very proud of you. And LenderMac, congratulations to you for hiring Michelle Richardson. She is your new chief financial officer. So congratulations to you. And Lennar, you have just promoted our friend Laura Escobar to the president of Lennar Financial Services. If you have not introduced yourself to Laura Escobar, please go do so. She is a ball of energy and a guiding light in our industry. Please go do that. And if you ever see me out and about in these industry events, ask me how I introduce myself to Laura Escobar. I think that I'm probably the only one that's ever done this, and probably in this way, and probably the only one who could get away with introducing themselves this way to Laura Escobar. But we are very proud of you, Laura. We are ecstatic for Lennar, and congratulations to you both. ICE, congratulations to you and hiring Chelsea And if I say your last name, Chelsea, incorrectly, please forgive me. I think it's De Lamar. Congratulations for hiring Chelsea De Lamar for your newest senior consultant. So congratulations to you both. We are very proud of you. We have two more. Congratulations to Mortgage Connect. You have just hired Katie Steinman as your newest VP of Procurement. So congratulations to you. And last but certainly not least, congratulations to SoFi. You just hired Tamika Thompson for your newest home loan servicing quality control senior manager. Congratulations to all of you. We are so proud of you and excited to see amazing, great things from you. So
That's a lot of new roles, promotions, a lot of movement this past week. So that's great to see.
yes, absolutely.
Okay, you ready for the other wins this week?
I'm ready for the other wins.
Okay, and Jen Linus, the marketing genius that MQMR just snatched up, is in the chat. Hi,
Good
Jen.
morning, Jen Linus.
Congrats. Okay, so the first thing is that Jen Chapman, she was interviewed by Rick Grant this past week. The interview just hit YouTube, I think, day before yesterday. It's excellent. I'll drop the link in the comments. It's pretty short. It's only about 16, 17 minutes. And here's the thing. This is why you got to listen to it. Jen has actually implemented multiple AI tools inside a lender across the company. Very few people have done that. So if you're fintech or an AI company, you're going to want to listen to her experience and her like lessons learned so that you know what your customers and your prospects are thinking and will be going through if they choose you. And if you're a lender, you want to listen to her so that you know you have a roadmap, things that you shouldn't forget in this implementation stage. So it's an awesome way to catch up on what you need to know, learn from somebody else, and watch Jen Chapman. Man,
Absolutely.
her
I
AI
mean,
expertise is AI and ops expertise.
and she's way ahead of the curve, especially with that new Freddie Mac compliance issue that came out in March. She was way ahead of that. She saw ahead before that even came out. So now, if anybody is thinking about that, she's the one to watch.
Yeah,
Good luck with her.
I'll drop a link in the comments to that podcast. It's a great listen. So, congrats to Rick Grant for getting Jen Chapman to sit down, and thank you to Jen Chapman for sharing. And then, up next, we have our own Audra Agan. You're hitting the road this
I'm
week
hitting the
or
road.
next week.
I'm hitting the road on Sunday if I can get out because there's a big storm heading to Texas.
Where are you going to be?
I'm going to be at Texpo in Grapevine. I'm going to be meeting with a whole bunch of treasury experts. I'm going to be going and talking to them. So I will be at the Texpo conference the 12th through the 15th. So I'm going to be talking to all of those banks for those treasury individuals if we can get out in time because apparently hail is coming. So hopefully I can beat the storm. So if you're going to Texpo, please come by and say hi.
Yeah, get your business clothes and your walking shoes ready at the
That's right.
Gaylord.
That's right. I'm bringing out my sparkly tennis shoes.
Good. Okay, also, we wanna say a big congrats, to Sunda Brown Duckett, who, heads TIAA. She's an icon in our industry, one to watch for many years, and she just made Forbes' 250 Greatest Self-Made Americans. So, they chose her. There's a write-up about her. If you do not know who she is and know what she has done, this is a great cheat code to learn about her. She's an inspiration, and it was really cool to see. So
Oh,
congrats to Forbes for recognizing Duckett.
fantastic.
Yeah. And then finally, you got to keep an eye out because TMBA, the annual conference, the Texas MBA, it's coming up in, I believe it's in April in Austin. It is a big conference, and there'll be several Athena's council members speaking. And specifically, I want to highlight Brooke Anderson Tompkins. She will be on a panel at Texas MBA Annual speaking on mortgage and our future with AI. So she's one of the absolute brightest thinkers on AI and workflow and mortgage operations. And she'll be sharing her knowledge at the Texas MBA annual conference. And so we hope there's recordings and that they'll be shared far and wide. And that's all I've got today.
Yeah. Yeah. If you've never heard Brooke speak on AI, first of all, she's actually, as she's educated, she went to the top program on this in the world. And anytime I get an opportunity to talk to her about this subject, first of all, my brain explodes because I'm like, what? Because there's always something new to learn, and it's always evolving, and it's fascinating. It's fascinating study. It's fascinating science, and it's fascinating as to what you can do, and it's changing every single day. So if you get a chance to listen to Brooke, please do so, and any opportunity you get. So if there's a recording, go listen to it.
Yeah, for real. Anytime I talk to Brooke about AI, I furiously write notes, notes, notes. I mean, pages of notes so that I can go back over them and learn from them because there's so much information that, she's just on another level. And we thank her for sharing it with us.
We had intended to have a 15-minute touch base call 2 days ago. It turned out to 2 hours. Not on purpose, but it was 2 hours.
Lucky you, lucky.
And it was amazing. I took notes from a casual conversation
Yeah,
and learned something. So
yeah.
you get a chance to listen to her, please do.
Get your pen and paper ready and sit
Yes.
down. And then did you see this in the chat? Jen Linus, she says Susan Galloway with MQMR will be at Texpo and possibly Jen.
Well, goodness, there's going to be a whole bunch of experts there. So if you're going to be there, please make sure that you say hello to these ladies and get an opportunity to meet with them because they're fantastic.
Yeah, that's Jill Johnson's backyard in Grapevine. Maybe y'all need to have a little get together.
I just might. I just have to hit you up, Jill.
All right, that's all we've got today. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a great way to spend a Friday just to go over these accomplishments of women in financial services. And as Audra said, if you've been promoted, you have a new role, or have friends that you should send them our way so that we can honor and celebrate and show the rest of LinkedIn, like, who's running this?
And the best part, whether we know them or not.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, it's our favorite when we don't. So, and if you're seeing them on LinkedIn, send them our way. If you see postings on LinkedIn, you're like, hey, we might want to know this.
DM it.
Send them. Yeah. Send it to us because we can't catch them all. So send them to us and we want to elevate them to the highest heights. So let us know so we can put them on the next Friday Wins Live.
Mm-hmm. All right, Audra, I will see you here same time next Friday.
Next Friday. We'll see you all next Friday.
Bye. Good luck at Texpo.
Thanks so much. See you guys all next week.
Bye.
Bye.